Hi there, students. A fashion statement. Okay, this is a noun. Okay, a fashion statement is when you wear clothes or something else in order to attract people's attention and maybe to show other people the type of person you are. Okay, so sunglasses are not just a fashion statement, something that says how cool you are, but also they protect your eyes from the bright sunlight. The example I found that I liked is the activists about farming made clothes out of steak as a fashion statement to protest. Yeah, so that really is a very clear example of a fashion statement. Be careful what you wear, because maybe wearing a waistcoat is a fashion statement. I don't know, what do you think? Okay, so it's like showing people something about your character by what you wear. The fact that she had loads of fake jewelry, loads of paste jewelry all over her was a fashion statement. Or the glittering diamonds that she wore was a fashion statement to tell everyone how rich and important she was. His Armani suit was a fashion statement to his competitors that he was rich and important. Yeah, I guess the traditional broker going in London, businessman going into London on the train with his bowler hat and his umbrella and his black suit. This is a fashion statement. This is saying, I work in the city. I'm a traditional person, and you can trust in me. It's a fashion statement. I think maybe almost everything we wear is a fashion statement. I think punk clothes are very definitely a fashion statement. Or, yeah, I'm thinking the Dr. Martin boots that skinheads wear. These are a fashion statement. They're saying, I'm going to kick your head in if you're not careful. And this is a fashion statement. So there are 1,000,001 ways to make a fashion statement. You could shave your head. That would be a fashion statement. Maybe you're saying, I'm a bit of a skinhead. I'm a bit right-wing. I can be quite an extremist. That would work as well. Okay, so a fashion statement. It's not just the clothes, but it's something. It could be to do with the makeup you wear, your hairstyle, various different things. Yeah, long hair and a long beard. Maybe that's a fashion statement in itself. Yeah, long hair is a fashion statement saying I'm a hippie, I love everybody, I want to look after the world, peace and love, man. Yeah, you see, it's a fashion statement. By when we look at someone, we draw lots of conclusions about how that person is, and this is the idea of a fashion statement. Okay, so fashion. Fashion is here to do with the clothes that we wear. Yeah, the style of clothing and appearance that normally is in vogue, but each person has their own fashion. So to make a fashion statement, there are 1,000,001 ways you could make a fashion statement. The Prime Minister turning up in a tracksuit and a pair of expensive trainers maybe is a fashion statement to say, well, really, I'm a chav as well. I know I represent what the chavs have to say. Yeah, so a fashion statement. Formality. That's a good question. Fashion statement. I think I would probably give this 4.75 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could definitely use it in a semi-formal writing. I think maybe in something very formal, trying to convey a message with his outer appearance, with his appareil or something like that. Okay, so a fashion statement, something that you're wearing or something in your look that gives an indication of who you really are. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A fashion statement.